Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 65-watt power delivery fast charger. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at a 65-watt power delivery 3-port USB hub, and we also have some cables that we can actually utilize, and I believe this is a 2-pack of USB Type-C 60-watt cables that you can actually utilize with this USB hub. And I'm pretty sure this also comes with a 100-watt USB-C to USB Type-C data cable. So there's a lot of things you can actually utilize this hub with. You know, you can use it to charge up your laptops, you can use it to charge up your phones or your tablets or devices, and since it has up to 65 watts of power delivery, you can charge up a lot of devices very quick. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in a very fast charger. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact model. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of these products is very simple, but I'm going to move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at these products. So let's take a look at the main 65-watt charger before we take a look at the cables. And you guys can see this is how the front of the box looks like. It just says ACEFAST. And we have some few specifications and details on this side if you guys want to take a pause and look at that. But let's just get cracking with this box. So what I'm going to do is actually open this. And we need to pull this out. There we go. And yeah, it looks like I did kind of open it upside down. So let me kind of flip it back onto this side. Very nice design. You do got some plastic film that all you got to do is kind of slide off and remove. And you guys can see this is our charging station. And the plug is foldable, so you can actually, you know, if you're taking this on the go, you can just close this up. And on this side, we have all different connectivity ports. We have 2 USB-C ports, like I mentioned, and we also have a USB Type-A port. So we do get a quick start guide, and then we get included with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and it's actually a very long cable. With my wide angle lens, I'm not even able to fit the whole cable in my video frame. But now let's take a look at this charging cable. This is actually a 2-pack of 60-watt cables, and let's actually unbox this as well. And you guys can see this is how the back side looks like. There's a few specifications and details if you want to take a pause and look at that. And yeah, it's a very simple box as well. And what I'm going to do is actually open this up, kind of pull out these cables, and let's actually unwrap them. And you guys can see this is how the cables actually look. So these are USB Type-C, and these actually support 60 watts of power. This is how long this cable is. Very neat. And yeah, you can use this to plug in USB-C interface devices into this hub station. But why don't we actually move over to the testing and demo part of the video where we actually test out this power station. So why don't I actually pull out an extension cable, put it off to the side right here, and I'm going to open up the prong, and we're just going to plug it into this port right here. And what we're going to do in this demonstration is, why don't we try to plug in my phone? And my phone does support fast charging, so let me use the 100-watt cable that they supplied. Actually, no, let me utilize the 60-watt cable that I got with the other package. I'm going to plug this into this port right here. And now I'm going to plug this into the USB-C port. And you guys can see it is currently charging, and it's doing a quick charge. So with this USB hub, yes, you are going to get very fast charging. And let's try out maybe this voice amplifier. and I'm going to bring its charging cable. I'm going to untie this charging cable, and what I'm going to do is actually plug it into this USB hub, plug it into the USB port, and we're going to plug this into its charging port. And I believe, yes, it is charging. I don't know if you guys can see that red light on the top right here, but that indicates that this is also charging up at the same time. And what we could also do is actually plug in my laptop here, because it does support USB-C. I'm going to plug it into my USB-C port here. And this is the 100-watt cable, so this should be able to support this laptop. And we're going to plug it into that last remaining port. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it did actually connect to my laptop, and I can see it's actually charging up my laptop as I speak. So yes, you are able to actually, charge multiple devices with this PAL station, and it works fantastically. And I do believe the more things you plug, it's obviously going to be splitting that 65 watts of PAL through all the 3 different devices. So let's say if I was just trying to charge up my laptop, it would be better off if I just, have my laptop plugged in and not all these additional things, because it is going to limit the PAL that would transfer over. So do keep that in mind. If you want to utilize the full 65 watts of PAL, you probably do want to stick with just plugging one thing in. But yes, everything's charging up. My phone's still charging. I can unplug it. You guys can hear it disconnected. Plug it back in, and you guys can see we're already at 46%, and I believe we started off with 44%. So even with just a few minutes of charging, it's already charging up really, really quickly. Wow, look at that, 47, it just jumped right back up. So yes, this will charge up any device very, very quickly, and with 65 watts, you are gonna quickly charge up whatever you have plugged in to this PAL station. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this ACEFAST 65-watt PAL delivery charging station? Well, you guys can see it did a fantastic job. With the 3 ports, you are able to actually connect many things at the same time and charge it. But overall, it's a very practical product. With a lot of devices now consuming a lot of PAL, or if you have a lot of things you just need to juice up really quickly, having something that can actually juice everything up with 65 watts would definitely increase the time, or at least decrease the time, I should say, for you to charge up that device. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of PAL delivery, PAL station. Also, if you're a business or company wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you want to get any photo assistance with this product, you guys are all welcome to do so by reaching me out through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you guys are interested in buying either the PAL station or the 2-pack 60-watt cables that we tested out in today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.